Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can turn dark mode on or off in Windows 10. Right, so I'm going to show you how you can do that in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask that if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time you upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Right, so now what I want you to do is just come to your start menu and then open settings. Right, click on setting. Right, so once you open your setting, and now I want you to click on personalization. Right, so now once you are at personalization, I want you to click on color. Right, so you are at color, make sure you are at color. Now if you look here, you will see choose your default app mode. I want you to click on dark mode. Right, click on dark mode, and then you got that dark mode right there. So if you are on the right, you will see you got that you are on the right. So make sure you are on customize. Once you click on here, make sure you are on dark or customize. So if you want to, you can set customize and then make sure you click on dark, put it on dark. Right, and then as you see, you got this dark mode, which is for me is what I prefer, since I spend a lot of time on my computer. So I prefer to be on dark mode, so that will be easier on my eyes. Right, since I spend a lot of time on my computer. So yeah, that's how you can turn dark mode on or off. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.